In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma Eye app. By the end, you'll have a clean scrollable web page built from your ideas without touching a line of code. Start by heading to the Gamma website, log into your account, or create one if it's your first time. Once you're in, look for the Create New option. This is your starting point for anything you build in Gamma. Next, choose Generate with AI. If you're asked what you want to create, pick Website or Web Page. Gamma isn't limited to slides. It can produce long-form, scrollable pages that feel like a modern website. Now it's time to tell the AI what you want. Type a clear prompt that describes your site. For example, you might say, create a landing page for a digital marketing agency, portfolio website for a virtual assistant, or sales page for an online course. Be as specific as you can about your audience, the goal of the page, and any must-have sections. The more detail you give, the closer the first draft will be to your vision. Before generating, fine-tune the settings. Choose a tone or style such as professional, modern, or minimal. Pick a length, short, medium, or long, based on how in-depth you want your page to be. Select a theme so the visuals match your brand. When everything looks right, click Generate and let Gamma do the heavy lifting. Review the draft Gamma creates. You'll see structured sections like a hero area, an about section, services, and a clear call to action, along with suggested text and a layout. Scroll through the entire page to get a full picture of how it flows from top to bottom. Click into any section to edit. Update headlines for clarity, rewrite body text in your voice, add or delete sections you don't need, and rearrange the layout to match your priorities. Keep your main message front and center and proofread as you go. Customize the design to make it yours. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand. Add images, videos, or icons that support the message, and tweak spacing for readability. Aim for a clean, consistent look that feels intentional. If you need more content, use the plus add card option to insert extras like testimonials, pricing, a contact section, or FAQs. These elements build trust and answer common questions before someone reaches out. Finish by setting up links and buttons, edit labels like Book Now or Get Started, and connect them to your social profiles, booking pages, or product and service links. Test each one. When you're ready, click Share or Publish to generate a live link. Share it with your audience, and you're done. No coding required.